In a new city, how you gonna get to know this city quickly? I think taking a double-decker bus is one of the best way. Right behind me is an electric double-decker bus from Zhongsong Smart Auto. It is specially designed for city sightseeing. It is 12.5 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 4.2 meters high. Its curb weight is 17 tons. Let's get on the bus and experience it. This bus has 51 seats and 9 tables. There's a fridge on the first deck. I'm very thirsty. Let me grab a drink. Of course, it's better to enjoy the scenery on the second floor. The super wide and long panoramic skylight allows you to merge yourself with the blue sky of Zhuhai. Sitting in the first row, it feels like driving a boat. Have a commanding view and good vantage point. Multiple screens and 8 languages tour guide system inform the tourists about the city history and landmarks. Passengers have the convenience of charging their cell phone using the USB charging port on every table and the side wall. 46,000 kilocalories per hour high-power air conditioner with ozone disinfection made the cabin cleaner and safer. The driving system is equipped with a driver behavior analyzer, front collision and lane departure warning system to ensure the safety of passengers. The 360 camera provides the driver a full view with no blind spots. This bus is equipped with a 350 kilowatt lithium iron phosphate battery and a 200 kilowatt motor, which can be fully charged in 2.5 hours, providing a full day's operational needs. 100% electric and zero emissions. Your trip contributes to a greener planet.